The Humboldt Upwelling System is one of the most productive ecosystems in the world, with unrivaled fishery yields. Its richness in nutrients such as nitrogen fuels phytoplankton production at the coast of Peru. Nitrogen is an essential nutrient for building the base of the food web. In the Humboldt Upwelling System, winds bring cold, nutrient-rich water to the surface, which can be used by phytoplankton in sunlit surface waters for growth and reproduction. This high phytoplankton productivity in the surface of the Humboldt Upwelling System produces organic matter. Once this organic matter sinks out of the sunlit surface ocean, a lot of oxygen is used up in underlying waters to decompose it. Waters below the surface are also poorly ventilated due to little contact with the atmosphere, so oxygen becomes depleted. If the water temperature rises, even less oxygen will be available. When there is no oxygen available, microbes use oxygen bound to life-supporting nutrients such as nitrate. In the process, nitrogen is lost back to the atmosphere as nitrogen gas, creating a nitrogen deficit in deep waters. When these nitrogen-depleted waters are upwelled to the surface, this leaves the phytoplankton in the surface waters with less nitrogen. Less nutrients for phytoplankton reduce their growth and productivity. There is less food for the rest of the food web, including the fish. Some microbes, called nitrogen fixers, can access nitrogen gas dissolved in seawater and convert it into a form that other phytoplankton can use. This may return some of the lost nitrogen to the Humboldt Upwelling System and potentially keep the nitrogen cycle in balance. Scientists from Germany and Peru are working together to understand why the nitrogen deficit is not replenished by nitrogen fixation. These results will be used to predict the effects of climate change on the nitrogen cycle and its possible consequences for the productivity of the Humboldt Upwelling System in the future.